Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add a contact in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to this call button and go to contacts, and here click on create a contact and select here email ID or Vivo account or SIM1 or SIM2 or device. Okay, you can store a particular contact to this location, okay, whether in your Gmail or in your Vivo account or in your SIM cards or in your device itself. Okay, it is better to use Gmail. And yes, here itself you can change the save to option. Okay, if you click here, all options will be available. You can choose any one. I keep it in the Gmail. Okay, save to Gmail, and click here and click on first name and type the name. Okay, here type the name. So I just typed. Then here give company name, and then give their phone name, phone number. Okay, so here company is this is company name. Okay, you can type anything as per your wish. Okay, then click on phone and type the phone number. Okay, finally click on save. Okay, so this is basic, and you can add more thing like more phone numbers and more email ID and their significant date, so whatever maybe you can assign. Okay, then click on add a photo, and you can also assign any photo from your gallery, or you can take a new photo to assign it to your contact. And yes, finally click on save. Okay, basic thing is you got to write the name and then you got to give the phone number. Okay, then that particular contact will be added to your phone. In this way you can easily add a contact to your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.